Hey everybody, sorry about that. You know what I forgot to, or I neglected to let you guys know that, and some of you know because you have, been over there, but we've been on Facebook quite heavily, and we want you to join us over there for encouragement. We post daily or share our memories, which are still post anyway, that should encourage you, especially in the times that we are in at this time, because we definitely want people to know which way to go and to not be afraid, or well, I shouldn't say be afraid, but still to be bold and brave at this time, because we will be afraid because things can make us fearful, but we want to keep our focus on the Lord. But nonetheless, I just wanted to remind us, or let us know that we are on Facebook. Now, we do have a page for this channel. However, we are not really on it, so you may have to just follow my personal page. If you don't want to friend my page, that's fine. You don't have to. I understand as people want to be anonymous, but you can follow the page or just look into it every day. So I will leave that link prayerfully down in the description box, and number two, the link to the website where you can donate gift cards for the gift card initiative. So yeah, I think that was all. I just wanted to say that because I forgot to say that we are on Facebook. So that's where we are, for the time being, and that's where we'll be. So especially until the blog is ready. So anyway, just go over there so that you can be encouraged on a daily basis. We love you very much. Thank you so much, and don't forget to watch the other video if you haven't watched that one either. Thank you. Bye bye.